Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enabling Edge panel on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, enabling the Edge panel provides quick access to frequently used apps, contacts, tools, and features. The Edge panel offers a convenient way to access shortcuts and functions without navigating through multiple screens or menus, enhancing efficiency and productivity. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, access the settings on your device. Then, select the display menu. Scroll down on this page to locate the Edge panels option and tap to open it. Activate the Edge panel feature by following the on-screen instructions. Once successfully activated, customize its appearance by selecting the specific content you want to display in the Edge panels menu. Okay, and then in the Edge panel settings, you can also arrange the position of the Edge panels, choosing whether they appear on the right or left side of the screen. Okay, additionally, adjust the color, transparency level, size, and thickness of the Edge panel to suit your preference. Finally, enable the option to add a vibration effect when interacting with the panels. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to enable Edge panel on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.